वेलकम बैक टू वीकेंड आउट। माय नेम इज गौरव। नाम तो सुना होगा। आपको क्या लग रहा है मैं ये जैकेट पहनकर क्यों आया हूँ? क्योंकि सर्दी है? ये बिल्कुल गलत जवाब है। मैं जैकेट पहन के इसलिए आया हूँ क्योंकि हम और आप अब जाने वाले हैं हार्ली डेविडसन के शोरूम में। नाउ देखिए, हार्ली डेविडसन एक ऐसी बाइक है जो बिना पेट्रोल तो चल सकती है, लेकिन बिना जैकेट के उसको चलाना उसकी तौहीन करने के बराबर है। एंड नाउ हार्ली डेविडसन ऑफ कोर्स इज द अल्टीमेट फैंटेसी ऑफ एनी बाइक लवर, एंड राइट नाउ यू हैव मोर रीजन टू गो एंड चेक आउट द शोरूम बिकॉज दे हैव रिसेंटली लॉन्च्ड 7 न्यू मॉडल्स। देखना है? चलिए।
The sound as they start the engine, the adrenaline rush as they accelerate, the flowing curves of the fenders, the visual muscle of a big V-twin engine. It's no coincidence that the bikers are as passionate about their bikes as they're about their ride. And when it comes to a Harley-Davidson, it's every biker's dream to own one.
I'm holding the position as the ladies of Harley at the moment. I'm encouraging lots of ladies to join us, even though they don't ride.
When I was a kid and when I saw ladies, they are riding a bike, I was really interested that one day I dreamed that one day I'm going to have a bike. I dreamed to go once to Route 66. It's my dream.
हार्ली डेविडसन का लॉन्च था तो कोई ऐसी वैसी बात तो हो नहीं सकती है। About 1000 bikers came together for the launch of the 2014 models of Harley Davidson. अब they also decided to put together a bikers parade, and इस parade की जो registration fee थी would be donated to the United Nations World Food Program.
With the new Harley-Davidson 2014 models, this dream is to get bigger and better.
Well, Harley-Davidson itself as a company is going through a big transition. We are moving towards a customer-led organization, whereas we're asking the customers what do they want, and we are developing products around that.
Harley-Davidson Middle East and North Africa held its open day in the UAE and launched the all-new 2014 models.
And if you look at our model year 14 products which we just launched, the Rushmore range, it was all driven by what the customer wants, and it's the most exciting launch that Harley-Davidson has done in their history.
Bikers and enthusiasts came out in full force to get their hands on the latest models of the Harley. After years of imaging, planning, styling and engineering, and countless hours of riding and even talking to customers, Project Rushmore's contribution to the Harley-Davidson line 2014 saw it introduce 7 touring, trike and custom vehicle operation models.
Yeah, I've been in business for many, many years, and the one thing that Harley-Davidson brings me is freedom. It's to get out on the road, to put all the cares away and just focus on riding a bike and having fun. It's an absolute passion.
The response to their 2014 models was very positive, with the new Project Rushmore editions generating a lot of excitement among bikers.
Get down here, sit on the bike, take them for a ride.
Just go for it. You will have fun.
You'll keep smiling.
And now, all that the bikers can say is ready, steady, go!
ये जो बाइकर्स थे आर एक्चुअली अ पार्ट ऑफ द हार्ली डेविडसन कम्युनिटी, और इनकी कम्युनिटी का मोटो है कम टुगेदर टू चेंज लाइफ। इसीलिए शायद इन्होंने सोचा कि इस बाइकिंग परेड को एक चैरिटी एंगल भी देना चाहिए। नाउ वन थिंग यू हैव टू एडमिट दैट दुबई इज अ प्लेस दैट इज फुल ऑफ पीपल विद अ गोल्डन हार्ट, और यहाँ पर कई सारे ऐसे चैरिटी इवेंट्स ऑर्गेनाइज किए जाते हैं। नाउ वन सच इवेंट दैट हैपेंड इन दुबई वाज डन बाय द सिटीजन फाउंडेशन एंड दुबई केयर्स टुगेदर। दिस फंडरेजर वाज कॉल्ड आर्ट फॉर एजुकेशन, जहाँ पर कई जाने माने पाकिस्तानी और दुबई आर्टिस्ट ने अपनी पेंटिंग्स को ऑक्शन किया। The Citizen Foundation is a foundation जो कि पाकिस्तान में बच्चों को पढ़ने के लिए encourage करती है।
With the motto, education is the best solution to breaking the cycle of poverty, the Citizen Foundation, in collaboration with Dubai Cares, organized a charity event called Art for Education.
Tonight, we are proud to join hands with the Citizens Foundation.
This included an art auction to raise funds, and the net proceeds of the event went towards building a school in Pakistan.
This is the new initiative, inshallah. We hope to embark very shortly.
We are very proud that we are the first Pakistani charity which has been picked or chosen by the Dubai Cares, and we are going to build a school, a primary school in a slum or maybe a village in Pakistan, and that will cater to the less privileged or the underserved communities of Pakistan.
It's often said that there's nothing like a dream to create the future, and this was a dream shared by a group of close friends that today has turned into a movement of many, bringing a positive change in the lives of communities. And so TCF and Dubai Cares decided to help shape the future of hundreds and thousands of less privileged children in Pakistan.
Whenever we launch an initiative as Dubai Cares, we always try to engage different segments of the community, whether it was individuals, corporations, schools, institutions. And for every fundraising initiative, we usually have a different focus. The reason why we chose art is because a lot of people actually appreciate art, and we wanted to combine it this time to a good cause. So we told the community to come together to buy the art pieces and to bid on the art pieces as well in support of providing children with access to quality primary education.
The event featured the works of established and emerging artists from Pakistan and the UAE that helped raise 1 million dirhams.
Tonight's event, alhamdulillah, was really successful. We had a lot of people bidding, a lot of people coming and buying tickets and everything.
If everything goes on well, we should get more than 500,000 dirhams tonight.
The overwhelming response to this initiative reflected the importance placed by attendees on promoting education. Education is a cause that Dubai Cares and TCF are committed towards, and they believe that it is one of the most effective tools to fight poverty.
अब वक्त हो चुका है कि हम यहाँ से जाएं, लेकिन नॉट फॉर वेरी लॉन्ग। एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेंगे। ब्रेक के बाद जब हम वापस आएंगे तो आप और मैं मिलकर बढ़िया सा खाना खाएंगे।